The OnePlus Watch 2R, as the name suggests, is a modified version of the original OnePlus Watch 2. It is also known in China as the OnePlus Watch 2 eSIM, but unfortunately, the new variant does not carry the eSIM feature. The OnePlus Watch 2R has updated watch bezels, 2 round side buttons, and an updated watch band. The wearable is also 25% lighter than the OnePlus Watch 2 and comes in at just 37 grams thanks to its aluminum casing. There's a lot to like about OnePlus Watch 2R, but it all starts with the design. OnePlus changed the design a little compared to the Watch 2. The straight edge on the right side is gone this time around, and the 2R now has 2 uniform buttons for what I think is a better design and a more traditional watch feel. Both buttons are programmable, but neither can be used as a crown. It might be a tad big for some, but it felt great on my wrist. OnePlus went with an aluminum build this time around. While not as strong as the Watch 2's stainless steel build, it should still be plenty durable, and the aluminum allows for a slight weight reduction. At 37 grams without the wrist strap and 59 grams with the strap attached, the Watch 2R is quite light. The Watch 2R includes key features such as Wear OS with Snapdragon W5 processing and an optional proprietary RTOS. The 1.43-inch AMOLED display offers excellent visibility with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Users can manage notifications, messages, and calls directly on the watch. A notable feature is the 32 GB of storage, which allows for offline music downloads from services like YouTube Music and Spotify. The smartwatch can also connect with Bluetooth earbuds, which is convenient during workouts since users won't need their phones to switch tracks. For fitness enthusiasts, the smartwatch has Health Connect by Android, providing centralized data management. Additionally, Google Health Connect and Strava Sync are now integrated, improving fitness tracking. Over 100 sports modes are supported, with built-in GPS for accurate tracking. The watch is water-resistant with a 5 ATM and IP68 rating, making it suitable for various activities, including swimming. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 100 hours in smart mode and 12 days in power saver mode. The 500 mAh battery charges fully in just 1 hour with 7.5 watt VOOC fast charging. While the touch display is effective for navigating the various menus, a digital crown would have been nice. If you're on a budget and want a top-of-the-line Android watch, then the OnePlus 2R should be at the top of your list. It's a beautiful watch that does so much right. It's incredibly quick, offers amazing battery life, has a great display, and is quite good for fitness tracking. With that being said, it won't be ideal for everyone. Namely, women who want to track their cycles or parents who routinely go for walks while pushing a stroller immediately come to mind. The OnePlus Watch 2R gives the OnePlus Watch 2 a real run for its money and should be the go-to between these watches. Thanks to its blend of design and capabilities, it's one of my new favorite Android smartwatches. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.